How to get Chatgpt to write in your style or your voice. If you're a midlife business owner and you've already had a go at Chatgpt, one of the things you'll have noticed is that the content comes back in a sort of quite a bit of a stiff, formal way. It's anodyne, if you like. It's not going to offend anyone, but it doesn't sound like you. And one of the key things about creating content as a business is that your content needs to sound as if it's come from you. Normal advice is that if you're wanting it to write in a particular way, you actually tell it to do that in your prompt. You want it to be formal, you want it to be corporate, you want it to be scientific, you want it to be casual, you want it to be funny, and that is supposed to do the trick. But if you're an established writer and you've got content on the internet that maybe you've published on your own blog or you've published in a particular publication, you can ask ChatGPT to see if it can find some of your content and to use that to start to write in that style. And all you do is ask it to simply write some content using that style. Now, it may or may not work, and while I'd advise that you should never actually lift something straight from ChatGPT and put it onto your blog or put it onto your posts, it does mean that if you've got something that's written in your style, it becomes easier to edit. What happens if it can't find any of your writing? Well, what you simply do is you find a piece of content that you've written, you actually upload it as a prompt and say, please copy this style. At the moment, you have to do this at the start of every prompt, but the experts seem to be saying that very soon you're going to be able to train ChatGPT to write like you every single time it posts. This video has been useful. Please give it a like and maybe a follow.